to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today's your first time on this channel, we're so happy to have you on board on our channel. We're all here together. We are learning Yoruba language, okay? So please, I'd like you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so that Yoruba people all over the world, we can all gather together here and exchange our knowledge of our beautiful Yoruba language, okay? And as you know, we will greet everyone together in Yoruba language. But before we go into that, I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing today. So today we're going to be learning how do we address an elderly person in Yoruba land, how do we address our age mate, and how do we address someone who is younger to us in Yoruba language, okay? But hold on to that thought. We greet everyone first in Yoruba language and then we come back, okay? All right, on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akúdéjásìkò ní gbogbo tí a bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Auntie Daycare. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí a máa kọ́ bí a ṣe ń bá àgbàlagbà sọ̀rọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. A máa kọ́ nípa bí a ti ń bá ẹgbẹ́ wa sọ̀rọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. A máa kọ́ nípa bí a ti ń bá ọmọdé sọ̀rọ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. Báwo ni a ti ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àmọ́ kí a tó bọ́ sórí ètò ti tòní, mo fẹ́ dáhùn sí ìbéèrè fọ́nrán ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. Kí ni à ń pe ọkùnrin? Kí ni à ń pe obìnrin yàtọ̀ sí ọkùnrin àti obìnrin tá a mọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? À ń pe ọkùnrin ní ìwàlẹ̀, à ń pe obìnrin ní ìsun. Tí ẹ bá gbọ́ tó bá ṣàdúrà fún obìnrin pé wà bí sun, wà bí wàlẹ̀, ṣé ẹ mọ̀ túmọ̀ ìsun àti ìwàlẹ̀? Ṣé mo tún wẹ̀? Ó dáa. Ìsun bàbá dàgbà tá a dògbó tá a re bí àgbà ń rè. Obìnrin ló máa sunkún ṣáá. Òun ni ìsun. Òun ló máa sun, òun ló máa sunkún. Ọkùnrin òun ló máa wa ilẹ̀ tó máa sin àwọn òbí rẹ̀ sí. Torí ẹ̀ la ṣe ń pe ọkùnrin ní ìwàlẹ̀, à ń pe obìnrin ní ìsun. Ṣó ti yé yín? Nítorí náà, tí ẹ bá débì kan tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá tó yanrantí, tó bá ní ẹ̀jọ̀ yàtọ̀ sí ọkùnrin àti obìnrin, báwo la tún ṣe ń pe akọ àti abo ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? A máa sọ wípé ìsun àti ìwàlẹ̀. Ṣó ti yé wa ẹ̀? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, eléyìí ṣe máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So, like I said, how do we address an elderly person? Someone who is older than us, and someone who is our age mate, and someone who is younger. Okay? There are two rules in Yoruba land. There is there is O. Okay? Is what you use for elderly people or someone who is older. O is something that you use for your age mate or someone who is younger. You understand? So, when you want to greet an elderly person, for example, okay, let's say you want to say good morning to them, you will say ẹ káàárọ̀. If it is a male, okay, you will say ẹ káàárọ̀ sà. Remember the ẹ. If you want to greet a woman, okay, or a female that is older, you will say ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. Do you understand? Ẹ káàárọ̀ mà. If you want to greet your mate or someone who is younger, you do not need to put the ẹ. You can just say káàárọ̀. Káàárọ̀. You understand? Now, if you want to give something to an elderly person in Yoruba land, for example, always give them something with your right hand. Okay? It is very disrespectful, even though you're left-handed. In Yoruba land, You always give an elderly person something with your right hand, never with your left hand. Okay? And when you want to give them the thing, you have to go on both knees as a woman. And as a boy, as a male child, you have to bow your head to give it to them. Okay? So, if you want to give them something, you will say, Ega. Ega. If you want to give it to someone who is your age mate or someone who is younger, okay, you will say, Ba. You don't need to put the E. You say, Ba. When you're talking to an elderly person, you always use Ega, Eshe, Ekaro. You understand? When you're talking to your mate, Ba, Karo, Oshe. You understand? Okay? Practice this, okay? As you know, we're going to be saying our double together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Etaoya, double. Thank you very much, Eshu.